Marriage is respecting each other. It is a bond made in heaven above. It is finding a world in each other. It's laughter, it's joy, it's love. Kaya ho sa pagpapakasal, ang tinatanggap hindi lang yung kagandahan, ang tinatanggap din maging yung kapangitan. Kasi para kang bumili ng isang kaing na kamatis, pati bulok kasama. Marriage is the beautiful blending of two lives, two loves, and two hearts. It is the wonderful, magical moment when a beautiful love story starts. Marriage is caring and sharing from the moment you first say I do. It is learning of life's little troubles to an old happiness too.
Would you help me to find a new way?
Since marriage is permanent, we should learn to forgive and to forget. Dapat wala siyang kayang imbentuhin na ikasasama ng loob mo, tigagagalit mo na hindi mo siya kayang patawarin. Tama ba?
So stay here with me. There's so much love in your smile when I look at your face, and I'm here to stay. You're my first and my last love, and you're my escape. So tell me you'll be right here with me. Hearing your voice is like hearing an angel sing, through the good and bad and all in between. You're the one I want and the one I need, and I You taught me to live each day, to live each day like it's my last. I won't make you turn away, so come with me and never look back. After all that we've been through.
So therefore, sa inyong dalawa, Michael and Christine, whatever problem, talk it over instead of what resulting in separation. Separation is not the solution. It is never the option.
So tell me you'll be right here with me. Hearing your voice is like hearing an angel sing, through the good and bad and all in between. You're the one I want and the one I need, and I know so this is how we planned it, knowing that we won't be alone. And this is how it's supposed to be when I knew it all along.
Marriage is permanent. It should be, number one, founded on love and commitment. It should be founded on love and commitment. Ang dami kong kinasal. Tinatanong ko, ba't nagpapakasal? Mahal daw. Nag-iwalay din naman.